are 5 PS4 tips if you're still using the PS4. First, don't put your PS4 on a flat surface. It will just collect dust and slow down your performance. Instead, put it on something so it can get better airflow. Then go to Settings and find your Wi-Fi, click on Options on your controller, and set it to 5 GHz. Now go to Settings and scroll down till you find System and uncheck Limit Number of Content Items on home screen. This will make so that all your apps will appear on your home screen, so you don't have to go to Library and find them. Then go to Settings, Devices, Controllers, and adjust the brightness to dim. While you're here, turn off vibration, as this will make your controller battery last longer. You want less delay on your controller? Go to Settings, Devices, Controllers, Communication Method, and change it to use USB cable. But if your controller is flickering and the buttons trigger by itself, here is a quick fix to that. First, you need to grab a toothpick and stuck it in this little hole. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds and you should get this notification on your screen. Now turn on your controller and it should be working fine. You need to turn off your PS4 and hold the power button till you end up in safe mode. Then connect your controller with USB and press the power button on the controller. Then scroll down to Rebuild Database and click OK. And for the last tip, go to System and find Voice Operation Settings and turn it off.